TeraFlex's front sway bar quick disconnect kit for the JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator brings the industry-leading sway bar links to a new generation of Jeeps. These sway bar links allow you to swing the sway bar up and out of the way for unrestricted articulation during off-road driving. Begin the installation process by removing the front sway bar links. This vehicle already has links from a TeraFlex lift kit, but the factory links are removed in the same manner. Attach the smaller stud to the tall bracket. Attach this bracket to the spring bucket. There's already a hole on the spring bucket, so there's no need to drill anything. Attach the larger studs to the lower brackets. Both the studs will point towards the passenger side or the right side of the vehicle. Avoid using an impact gun on these studs. As with all stainless steel studs, it's best if you tighten by hand after lubricating the threads. Install the right side bracket in between the factory sway bar link mount and the track bar bracket. The left side bracket attaches to the outside of the sway bar link mount. The factory sway bar link mount had bent a little bit, so using an adjustable wrench we bent it back. Also, there was some weld spatter from the high quality factory weld that we had to chip off. But it went right together after we did all of that. Attach the new sway bar links to the sway bar. Cover the lower stud with grease or another kind of lubricant and slide the sway bar link onto it. We use FM222 multi-purpose grease, but any grease should be fine to use. Place the washer and then the pin onto the stud to hold the sway bar link in place.